Hey guys, hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. अभी मैं start कर रही हूँ my travel series. This is like come back with me kind of a video. Already मैंने clothes रख लिए हैं, थोड़े बहुत रखने हैं और accessories रखनी है, makeup रखनी है, shoes रखनी है, ये सब करना है. तो फाइनल टचेस हैं जो कि करने हैं तो इसीलिए मैं सोची कि अब व्लॉग स्टार्ट कर देते हैं या वीडियो स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. एंड जैसे जैसे जो भी करूँगी मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी. तो चैनल पे बने रहिए. इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, हिट द लाइक बटन, कमेंट एंड शेयर इट with your friends and family members. Also turn on the bell notification button so that you're notified whenever I upload. Follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of shorts and reels and things of that. शॉर्ट्स तो मैं यूट्यूब पे डालती हूँ, रील्स वहाँ पे डालती हूँ, स्टोरीज़ डालती हूँ, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, पोस्ट भी करती हूँ एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो जाके इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर लेना. अभी मैं वीडियो स्टार्ट कर दी हूँ एंड आई रिसीव वन पार्सल फ्रॉम आजियो एंड वन पार्सल फ्रॉम मीशो. आई डोंट नो इफ आई शुड बी कीपिंग द मीशो पार्सल बिकॉज honestly it is really cute. I got a set of these three jute bags. Like I was expecting a little bigger size because I have one fiddle fig leaf. I thought utna size आएगा एंड मीडियम साइज़ आएगा और एक छोटा साइज़ आएगा. दैट इज़ वॉट आई थॉट. क्योंकि मेरे पास 3 प्लांट्स हैं जिनके प्लांटर्स नहीं हैं. एक फिडल लीफ हो गया, एक जीजी प्लांट हो गया और एक मेरे पास बॉन्साई है. तो मैंने वो सोच कर मंगाया था. बट दीज टर्न आउट स्मॉल बट दे रियली cute and they're very sturdy. Like they're not flimsy, they're very sturdy. I don't know what I should be doing. I'll show you the ZZ plant though कि कैसे लगता है with the plant and all of that, and I'll show you my bonsai plant as well so you can see the sizes for yourself. Now the price of these three was 293 rupees, and which is not bad for three jute bags even if they are small. But this is like a good quality. So I'm not sure what I should be doing. I just included this in this particular video, but I will be making a Meesho haul, and if I keep them then I will obviously add that in a Meesho haul as well. But let me know in the comments you guys कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. मुझे रिटर्न करना चाहिए, मुझे रख लेना चाहिए, because I don't know, honestly I don't know. But let's open this parcel. इसमें मैंने 2 क्लोथ्स ऑर्डर किए थे जस्ट एज फार एज आई रिमेंबर. अभी रिसीव हुआ है तो मुझे भी एक्साइटमेंट थी कि आई वेदर ये साइज़ फिट होगा या नहीं, क्योंकि 2 आउटफिट्स मैंने रख लिए हैं एंड मेरे पास अभी टाइम नहीं है शॉप करने के लिए. तो हम जस्ट प्रेइंग कि ये ना फिट हो जाए, बिकॉज इफ़ आई हैव टू रिटर्न देन आई विल बी इन ट्रबल. सो एक तो मैंने ये वाला शर्ट मंगवाया है विच आई थिंक विल बी फिटेड फॉर मी. आई डोंट नो. इसका प्राइस 1799 रुपीज़ है एंड ये गैप का है. दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स गैप के हैं वैसे. तो मटेरियल इज़ गुड बट आई थिंक इट विल बी फिटेड for me, and I kind of like wearing loose clothes, so I'm not sure. The second one that I have got in is this one, again from the same brand Gap, and देख सकते हो it's a very beautiful texture kind of a shirt, and I really like this one. Again, I'm feeling that this will be fitted. So these are 2 outfits that I had planned to take along with me, but I don't know how these will turn out. So पहनते हैं, फिर उसके बाद डिसाइड करते हैं कि क्या करना है, वरना मेरी बैंड बच जाएगी. Okay, let's try. Let's be positive. Okay, first is this particular shirt. It's not too tight. There's still a give in it. So what do you guys say? Should I keep or should I give? But I really like the fitting of this particular one. Let's try the next one. Curtains closed बाहर सबको दिखेगा वरना. Hi. Okay, the next one also fits me really well. It isn't too loose. It's looking pretty, and the sleeve length is also fine. Usually मुझको sleeves बड़े हो जाते हैं, थोड़े से बड़े हैं but still fine. This is the next one. What do you guys say? Should I keep or should I return? Because I'm liking this one more than that one. Both of them are fitting me So it's a win, yay! Let's open the curtain back. I was worried that they would be too snug fitting, but they have a little bit of give in it. They're not like too loose like how I wear usually wear loose clothes. But मैंने prices बताए थे क्या, size बताया था क्या, I don't remember. Second one is which size? This one, the second one is also in the size extra large, and it's priced at 2499. I'm giving it a thumbs up, but I don't know what my husband has to say, because sometimes he has his own opinion and he's like, no baby, that's not flattering on you, and he's most of the times right. So it's always good to have a second opinion. करती तो मेरा ही हूँ, बट ओपिनियन इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो मैं चेक कर लूँगी कि अच्छा लग रहा है या नहीं. I'll show you like what all makeup and toiletry and things of that sort I'm carrying. So there is one Nika order that has to reach me before I travel, because I bought a little bit of essentials like tissue wipes and all of that. So let's see. I hope that comes within time. My throat is dry and I don't want to start coughing, so let me have water. I'll catch up with you guys whenever I pack up. So not pack up, whenever I pack my stuff up. I'm really allergic to dust at this time. 1.5 months I've just fallen sick really badly because of dust, so have to be careful about that, girlies. Any which ways, that's why I'm masking up when I'm going out, because I'm not able to tolerate dust at all. Okay, let me talk to you guys when I start packing my things up. And okay, उस रात मैंने पैक नहीं किया, मुझे कॉफ बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई थी, थोड़ा नेक्स्ट डे मैं मास्क लगा रही थी, तो आई जस्ट शोड यू. अंधेरा हो रहा है, मेरी मेकअप पाउच नहीं मिल रही थी, तो अभी तक मैंने पैक नहीं किया. मुझे एक सड़ियल वाली मेकअप पाउच मिल गई, तो मैं भी इसको ही यूज़ करूँगी. मेरी जो ब्लैक वाली थी, जो मैं ट्रैवल के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ, वो मुझे मिल नहीं रही है. आई डोंट नो शिफ्टिंग में चीज़ें कहाँ इधर उधर हो गई हैं. तो देन आई गॉट वन मोर पाउच लाइक दिस. ये बेसिकली ज्वेलर के पाउच है, एंड इसमें मैं थोड़ी मेडिसिन रख लूँगी जो भी मुझे नीड होगी. जैसे यहाँ पे मेरे पास एक कोल्ड की है, एक पेन किलर है, तो मैं ऐसे थोड़ी मेडिसिन रख लूँगी, ताकि अगर इमरजेंसी में कुछ चाहिए हो तो फिर मेरे पास होगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, आई एम कीपिंग this hygiene bag in case I need it whenever I'm outside, and this is one shower cap in case of an emergency, so I'm gonna keep that. And then what else I will keep? This I'll use for makeup, and currently I am only thinking of keeping these two for now. I will keep some of the things. First one that I'm keeping is the niacinamide hydrating BB cream. It's got डब्बा निकाल देती हूँ. This is how the inner packaging looks like. Additionally to that, I want to use this one. This is the sunscreen. It's SPF 50 PA++, 1% hyaluronic sunscreen. इसकी inner packaging कुछ ऐसे है. Lipstick मैंने जो सोची है to keep is this particular one. This is a very beautiful shade from Disguise Cosmetics. One hairband. Not gonna carry a lot as well. I'm gonna keep it very minimal, because I know the kind of person I am, and I will carry everything but I will not use anything. So अगर मुझे कुछ चाहिए भी होगा तो I can always buy it from there. That's not going to be an issue, but as of now what I'm going to keep, I will show you that. Also carrying this particular bag from Mimco. This is an Australian brand which my sister had got for me. I haven't made use of this. It's got a sling bag too inside, so it's an Australian luxury brand. So I am thinking of keeping this one. Then I am going to be using this particular lip gloss in a pen form. I like this shade a lot. Looks good. Let me just wear it. It's so freaking hot, you guys, and I've sweat to death and I look crazy. Thinking of keeping this. Aside from all of that, the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to carry is the Mars City Paradise palette. I made a video of this already, so If you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check it. I'm keeping this because it has got blush, bronzer, contour, everything. So in case I feel like glamming up a little bit extra, then I have this one. Keeping Cuffs and Lashes Cat Fam blush. Then I'm keeping Inside Ka Strawberry Drip. And for lipstick, I'm carrying this new lipstick, Swiss Beauty Ki. I hope this does not melt. Also keeping my favorite Too Faced Ki Sellout. And for the lip gloss, I am going to be carrying the Lifter Gloss from Maybelline. एंड कंसीलर नीचे है, वो मैं बाद में रख लूँगी. लिपस्टिक लगा ली है कपड़ों पे, सब जगह लगा ली है. Let me just clean this up. Keeping this Mama's Glow Oil Compact with Vitamin C. This is good one for me. लाइट पैंड, तो ये ब्रेक होता है, तो आई डोंट नो इफ आई शुड की, बट मैं रख लेती हूँ बिकॉज वहाँ पे कॉम्पैक्ट की बहुत ज़रूरत होगी. I'm keeping this perfume from Pure Sense. This is their Desire Madagascar Vanilla Body Mist. This should be good enough. I'm not a perfume person, for the sake of keeping it, because I am right now allergic to fragrances. That is all, you guys. That's all I'm keeping in my kit. But अगर कुछ मुझे याद आता है तो मैं बाद में रख लूँगी. अभी तो I think I'm sorted for good. मेकअप वाइप्स रखनी है, टू माई मेकअप, मेरा छोटा माइसेलर वाटर रखना है, मेरे लेंस केस रखने हैं, वो सब मैं रख लूँगी. That's it.